Manfred Pereira.
Manfred.
Manfred Pereira. I'm from Part 2, Earth Science Department. This is the Rajasaurus narvadensis dinosaur. It's basically an Indian dinosaur which was found in the Kutch.
This is the only dinosaur known from India, or there are other
There are
fossilized
This
species?
is the largest. And it's a well-known dinosaur.
Rajasaurus.
Rajasaurus as in king lizard. Narvadensis is because of the location. It's found on the banks of river Narmada.
So this is named as Rajasaurus narmadensis or something.
No, Narvadensis is
Yeah, the
because
location.
of Narmada location.
Who found it?
It was found by actually by a paleontologist.
Only this part.
Yeah, a
was
foreign
found.
paleontologist
The skull was
called
found.
Wilson. Mr.
Only
Wilson.
skull, no?
The skull is the most well preserved specimen, the fossil which is found. Based on the skull, the rest of the body is devised, like how it is.
So very close, because what is the period?
It's 66 to 72.1.
So this was just before the extinction, Jurassic.
Extinction occurred at 65 million years.
Yeah, so that means they were independent in Indian Peninsula because India had separated from Madagascar by
Yeah,
that time.
Madagascar. Actually, it was
So you
present
have
on
any similar fossils in Madagascar?
exactly. They were
89 to 91 million years.
They actually belong to this Abelisauridae. So there's a cousin of its family in that Madagascar subcontinent.
What medium you use? Oil paint? Oil
So
bound paint?
actually, I had chipped the wall using a hammer and a chisel. Then I filled the gaps using white cement to create this mold. And then I painted it using oil paint.
Oil paint.
Oil paint. It was more durable.
No, but original this one, how you modeled after this one, this
Yeah, model,
This fossil?
after the actual
Fossilized one.
skull, yeah.
1.8 meter high.
Carved
It was 1.8 meter high.
yeah, 1.8. The height of it, 9 meters, is the length. Total length.
Length is 9 meters, but height is almost.
Almost 2 to 3 meters. That is of the largest.
So that was the only fossil to be found in India,
So
Rajasaurus.
there are other dinosaurs like Indosuchus. They are predatory dinosaurs. And there's a species
This
of
was what,
carnivorous
herbivorous or
dinosaur.
carnivorous? This one.
It's a carnivorous obviously. You can make out based on the dentition.
You also found eggs of this. Any eggs?
Eggs, yeah, eggs are the most well preserved fossils that are found.
Professor Mahendra had done some work, no, on dinosaur eggs in Kutch.
Yes. There's a fossil park also in Kutch.
So what is the possibility that we can find similar maybe in sedimentary rocks on Goa-Karnataka border, dinosaur fossils? Why they are not found along Western Ghats? Because it is recently new.
Depending upon the geographical conditions also.
Everything is-
Political things.
We have to go deep down in the Deccan Traps.
Excavation has to be carried out.
No chance in this area, Konkan area. Even in the hillside, it won't be possible.
And in Kutch, what happens, there's excessive sedimentation. So in sediments like sandstone and shale, they are well preserved fossils.